Did you know that there's a miracle or skinny rice? What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. Shirataki dried rice here is what they call the miracle rice or skinny rice because it helps reduce your blood sugar level and cholesterol level. What I love about this is super close to our white rice. And yes, alam naman natin we Filipinos love rice. But we are not getting any younger. In fact, I have maintenance already with my hypertension and borderline for diabetes. But with the help of this shirataki dried rice and exercise or walking, I feel lighter, I feel better. So, magpapahuli ka pa ba sa guilt-free shirataki dried rice? Click the yellow basket while they are on sale. And stay tuned. We will document it using microwave or just hot water only.